everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a set of red chrome Christmassy nails. I haven't done, I feel like I've done like lots of like sort of wintry nails, but I haven't done anything really too Christmassy yet. So I kind of wanted to make a more Christmassy set because, you know, it's Christmas. So I'm using this colour I've got here is called Ankje. It's a Blingline hard gel colour and it's black, obviously. Oh, stupid. So when you apply these colours, especially the dark ones, you only need really thin layers because they are really pigmented. And this one, or these hard gel colours, cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. I'm using the Blingline lamp. I really like it. It's a really nice one. Then I'm going to go in with my second layer. Now, over the top of this, I'm going to put some chrome. So I want it to be nice and smooth. So I do leave it to sort of self-level a little bit before I pop it in the lamp. This is a ruby chrome pigment powder thingy from Nail Sugar, but they don't have it anymore. I'm just using it because I wanted to use a chrome. I wanted to make it really, like, I wanted it to be quite shiny. However, I'm pretty sure this needs to be worked into a non-wipe top coat, but I am putting it over the tacky layer. I mean, you can do whatever you want with it, really. It doesn't really matter. And I'm using my little silicone tool to rub it in. But once I've got it covered pretty much all over, I'm just gonna rub it in with my finger just to make sure it's really sort of, you know, all in there. Isn't that gorgeous though? I really love this. I need to get some more chromes. There we go. So that's, you know, smooth enough. Right, I'm going to be using the Blingline white gel paint and Glacial Glitter from Nail Sugar. The Blingline hard gel or Blingline products are available from the little nail shop, and you can use my code NATMUG10 to get 10% off. The glitter, not the chrome anymore, but the glitter and the detailer brush are available from Nail Sugar, and I also have a code NATMUG10 if you want to purchase anything from there. You can get 10% off as well. I'm using the matte top finish over this nail. Now the matte top finishing I'm using here is a soak off, whereas the hard gels are obviously file off. They're not, oops, they're not soak off. It's my dog. So I'm using the matte because I find that when you put a matte over a chrome, it makes it look almost like a brushed metal finish. I kind of really like it. You can obviously leave it shiny if you want to, but you know, it's horses for courses, it's up to you. Then using the Blingline white gel paint and the Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detail brush, I'm going to place some little, we're almost going to make it like a candy cane almost kind of nail. I think that's what, yeah, like a candy cane nail. I'm going to put some wiggly stripes on here. I don't know what's up with me at the moment, but I'm really struggling with, like, I mean, these are really thick lines. I shouldn't have a problem with these, and I'm really finding anything to do with lines I'm really struggling with. But I mean, I got there in the end, so you can see I've made it quite thick. You know, it's quite a nice thick line. But when you look at candy canes, they're not really little lines, are they? They're kind of, you know. Anyway, I'm going to do a few of these down and out. I think I end up putting 3 on. You know, I tried to keep them all the same width as well, and also I wanted the gap between the white lines or the white stripes or the white curvy bits. I wanted those to be similar as well. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this up and then I'll tell you the next bit. So I made that top line a little bit too thick, so I've just dampened my little, it's a 3D acrylic brush. I've just dampened it with some cleanser, and I'm just sort of wiping that down to make it more the length, not the length, the thickness that I wanted it, because it would have just looked silly if I'd have left it. So there we go. Right, we're not going to cure this. I'm going to take that Glacial Glitter and I am going to sprinkle it all over that uncured gel, and what's going to happen is it's going to stick into the gel. This is basically called sugaring. For those of you who don't know this, this is called sugaring. So it's going to stick into the uncured gel. We're now going to cure that in our lamp. And when I sugar, I like to, depending what I'm sugaring, I like to leave it to cure for a little bit longer than what it should, or I at least double cure it. And then when it comes out, just brush off any loose glitter and you're left with a sugared nail. I'll show you in a minute, but while that was in there, I moved on to this now. So what I'd done was I'd done another nail with the chrome and the matte top coat, and I'm using this isn't the gel paint, this is the 3D white gel from Blingline. This is to create more like 3D designs, but this wasn't supposed to be 3D really. I'm trying to make really thin lines here. I don't know what it is. I've just been struggling lately. But what I want to do is I want some little lines at the bottom and some little lines at the top, and I made them all different sort of lengths. Then I'm going to take a dotting tool, and on each of those lines I'm going to place a few dots. I don't know, depends how many, it depends really on the length as to how many dots I put on, and I don't know, just how I'm feeling. So you see, I just put lots. I saw a set with a nail similar to this, and I thought it looked quite cute. I thought, oh, that's quite nice, and I thought I'd add it into this nail. And I also saw a set with, I'm going to do some snowflakes in a minute. I saw a set with these. I've never done snowflakes, how I'm going to do them for this set, so I thought I'd give that a try as well. I can't think who done the sets though, but I thought I've taken elements of other sets that I've seen to create this one basically. So you can see we've got a few dots on there. I kind of think the dots look really cute. If you wanted, you could have like a little star dangling off one of those little lines. But there we go. Pop it in the lamp once you're happy. I was just going to leave it like that. I thought I'm struggling at the minute. I'm not going to risk a star. Right, so this colour is called Snow White. And obviously it's just a basic white hard gel colour. I'm going to apply, this is the first coat, cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply the second coat now, and then cure for 60 seconds again. Again, you don't need you don't need thick layers. You can keep these layers nice and thin. And I'm going to do 2 white nails, but I'm just showing you me doing one, but I'm going to do 2. And then I'm going to use Marilyn. This is from the new winter colour collection. She's a gorgeous red. She's really nice. I thought she'd go quite nicely with the chrome. My dog's barking at his bone. Right, so the snowflakes are, right, basically you're going to do dots. So use your dotting tool. It's going to make it a lot easier. I've started with that centre dot, and then where I want the arms of the snowflake, I'm just going to do 2 little dots coming out. I mean, I was like, this is just ridiculously easy. Like, if you can't do snowflakes, this is just going to make your life so much easier. Just take your detailer brush and just literally start from the centre and just sort of carefully run your brush through the dots, and you've got like a nice, look, how easy was that? And that looks like a snowflake. It looks like a pretty cool snowflake too. I'm going to do another one down here. This one is going to come slightly, oh, I feel like I need to burp. I'm not addicted to it, but I've been really, I don't drink a lot of tea and coffee and stuff like that. I don't really drink a lot of that. I used to drink a lot of squash, but now I'm into flavoured fizzy waters, so I've been drinking a lot of those lately, but they do not make me burp. And I've not long had some, so I feel like I need to burp, but I'm not going to burp on the camera because it's a bit rude. There we go. So that was just come slightly off. I'm going to pop that in the lamp, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a few dots. I did put one more up the top actually. I felt like it needed a little bit of something at the top. There was just a little bit too much of a gap. And then I'm going to make like little starry snowflake things between these ones. All I'm going to do is, again, start from the center and run your brush outwards, and that way you get like a nice fine line. And you can do like 4 lines or you can do 8 lines coming out, it doesn't matter. I think I've done 8 on all of them. And it just sort of, it's just sort of like a mini snowflake. I don't show you me doing the top one, but look, I did do a little one at the top. And then I'm going to go over this with the matte top finish again. I need to place an order with the Little Nail Shop because there are things that I feel like I need more of. And also, oh, this matte top finish has a tacky layer, so just remove that. Ignore my dirty wipe. This is a Blingline wipe and they're amazing. I knocked over my cleanser bottle yesterday and I lost like about half the bottle. I was gutted, it went all over my desk. Right, so this is the set so far. On that plain white nail, I've decided we're going to add some crystals because I haven't done crystals for a long time. So in my masses of crystals, I found this Christmas mix. Now, you get different sizes. There's a Christmas mix with SS16 and a Christmas mix with SS7. So I put them both in the same pot. And then I've also got this festive mix, which has got some Swarovski snowflakes in, and I've got some gold caviar beads. This is the festive mix. I just love these. These are all no, they're not all Preciosa, so that's a lie. These are the bigger ones. You get golds and silvers and greens and reds, and they're really nice. Okay, so I'm using the Crystal Totalist Gem Glue. I get it from the Crystal Parade. All these crystals are from Crystal Parade as well, and I have a discount code NAT5, all in caps, so you can save a little bit of discount on your crystals. I find that when I'm going to do like a swoosh, curvy line of crystals. I find that when I'm doing these, I find it easier just to put all of the gem glue on where I want the crystals and then just go straight in with my crystals, as opposed to doing little bits at a time. I just find it easier doing it all like that, doing the whole thing all at once. And all I'm going to do is just basically throw the crystals on where I want them. I have no advice really when I'm doing these. I just kind of, I like this, the center of the swoosh to be thicker. I like there to be more girth on that. And then as the sounded really wrong, and then as you get towards the top and bottom of the nail and it curves around, then the crystals obviously will start to get smaller. I wanted to throw some snowflakes in as well because they were really nice and I've not used them. I've used them for the stag set that I done, but other than that I've not really used them this winter, and I think they're really gorgeous. The snowflakes, they're lovely. They're so nice. So as you can see, look, the crystals are getting smaller across the top here and the bottom. And then you'll see in areas I've got some gem glue, some like excess gem glue where that you can see like either side of the crystals. What I'm going to do is I will put some, some of the gold caviar beads I'm going to put between the crystals just to sort of cover up the gem glue, and also just to sort of fill out the design a bit. You don't have to put these on if you don't want to, but there were some areas that I thought just needed a little bit of bulking up. So anyway, when I have finished, I'm going to carry on doing these off camera because it took me a little while. So I'll show you it in a minute. Hang on. Here it is. This was it done. I was like, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So that goes into the LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then this is the finished set. I hope you like them. I really was really happy with this, and I felt it was a little bit more Christmassy. I will see you beautiful lot, because it's Friday. Yes, it is Friday. So I'll see you guys on Monday with a brand new video. Yeah, have an amazing weekend. I can't wait. It's like a week away. Okay, love you all, and I'll see you next week. Bye.